MF, special herbs, fingers in the spice rack. A little bit of my love, sprinkled into gingerbread. I wonder, American hunger, gotta feed feds. Do bid COs, searching under bed. MF, worldwide, seen on Carson Daily. I'm the original, research like Alex Haley. All's well in hell, listen, GM Grimm's fairy tale. Get slick, rewrite, script turn, horror flick. A murder scene for the police, we gonna edit it. Bloody screens, violence all seen in 3D. Loud dreams, silent screams, slash mic and vocal cords. Execute, hype man, now you gotta eat alone. I pass, cause Grimm is on the fast. You're a charmer, but your armor shatter like glass. Being me ain't easy, it's a difficult task. If you look through my eyes, you'll rip them out your head. I had fair warning about the streets, I didn't heed it. Fuck God, going to heaven, didn't need it. Devil by nature, in my heart I really knew it. Started a war up in heaven and I blew it. Not good with taking orders, so I took the dare route, but ended up getting aired out. I give props because it was a fair bout. I give props because it was a fair bout. Now I'm trapped on a planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Purses curse, you hear it in his verses. Voodoo dolls sticking pins in the iPod, pulling strings in industry, watching puppets dance. Niggas I burnt, watch them turn to the man. Time flies when alive, quickly turn OG, but niggas still can't fuck with me. I don't tour, so when you see me, you see me. No radio, and I'm never on the TV. Still get dope, music's a drug, I move weight. Mad is the flow, so whack niggas hate. My heart got cold, but my mind spit heat. The world's on my shoulder, but I'm not on my feet. Chariots of fire, gunshot from the wheelchair. Nigga, I'll leave you there. MC's a counterfeit, $3 bill shit. Some have gimmicks, others you just feel shit. All in their lyrics, others be bullshit. You know what? Fuck them. Yeah, fuck them, man. I'm tired of talking about these niggas like that.
Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators.
Now I'm trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Time gap, 3 years, better do your homework. Not a stranger to murder, seen many niggas die. Exterminate my life, so many try. Black Nikes, white stripe, drink break, Kool-Aid. 2 be a MF, you're done by me. MF Grimm, real name per C. CEO, last name carry. My boys are the white noise, my crew is scary. Day by day distribution, got it on the smash. Those who challenge get knocked on their ass. Grab niggas with my mind across the room, get flung. Mastered styles of Wing Chun with tongue. You could be the best, I'm trying to feed my family. Plus I'm paranoid, please don't fuck with me, I'll kill you straight up. This is reality, this ain't a made up urban documentary. I think the creator for the woman who was sent to me. My life, my legs didn't know what they meant to me until I had to lose them both and regain them. Spirits all around me, I tried to explain to them. Yeah. I didn't put the chorus back. Now I'm trapped on a planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator. Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equator.